evening, you're watching Left, Right and Centre. I'm Nidhi Razdan. I'll never stop fighting the hateful and divisive agenda of the RSS. I stand by every single word. That's what Rahul Gandhi said today as he denied any U-turn in the Supreme Court. 2 years ago, Rahul had told a rally, RSS ke logon ne Gandhiji ko goli maaree. He was sued for defamation but maintains that he never blamed the entire RSS organization for Mahatma Gandhi's assassination. Now, has Rahul Gandhi stuck to his stand or is this a climb down, as the BJP says?
I will never stop fighting hateful and divisive agenda of the RSS. I stand by every single word I said. With that tweet and his soundbite from March 2014,
RSS के लोगों ने गांधी जी को गोली मारी और आज उनके लोग गांधी जी की बात करते हैं.
Rahul Gandhi rejected the BJP's claim of a U-turn by him. The BJP says Rahul Gandhi's statement to the Supreme Court is a clear admission of guilt. But Rahul Gandhi and his lawyers point out his affidavit and comment always referred to people associated with the RSS. And he never accused the RSS as an institution of assassinating Mahatma Gandhi. This is what the Supreme Court accepted on Wednesday.
What Rahul Gandhiji through his counsel said before the Honorable Supreme Court and what he has tweeted are in direct conflict with each other. It's always preferable to speak on the basis of facts, to know the facts before one makes an allegation.
Apart from the political divide from both sides, the Supreme Court is expected to take a decision on this matter early next month. It's a 2-year-old case and has seen a number of ups and downs, with the Supreme Court even asking Rahul Gandhi to retract or apologize. With camera person Manoj Thakur and Arunachal Vaidyanathan, Sunil Prabhu, NDTV.
Joining us tonight, Dr. Ajay Kumar, spokesperson of the Congress Party, Mr. GVL Rao from the BJP and Mr. Rakesh Sinha from the RSS. Let me take this to you first, Mr. Rao. What the Congress is maintaining is that if you look at the affidavit Rahul Gandhi filed in the court in 2014 and what was said in court yesterday, they say it's exactly the same. In fact, that's what our court reporter is saying as well, that he's maintaining that it was the assassination was the result of those who were associated or affiliated with the RSS and not the RSS organization as a whole. Why then is the BJP calling it a climb down, or do you still believe it is a climb down?
It's a big climb down because after the July 19 observations of the Honorable Supreme Court, wherein after the affidavit, after perusing all the evidence all the information that was in the perusal of the court had made these observations and court had said constitutional validity of criminal defamation has been upheld to ward off anarchy in the society and those making offensive comments must face trial. This was the court's observation. Thereafter, the Congress Party and Rahul Gandhi, I think, claim they had some historical facts and evidence. They will go to the court and present them. Where are those facts? Where is that evidence? Why did Kapil Sibal tell the court that Rahul Gandhi is not blaming the organization as a whole? So it's a clear climb down. And after having suffered a face loss yesterday, they are now trying to attempt some kind of a damage control by trying to make statements which do not really refer to the matter which is sub judice.
But I'm just interrupting here because the reason Kapil Sibal is saying Rahul Gandhi did not blame the RSS organization as a whole is because he didn't. If you hear the sound bite, he says RSS ke logon ne Gandhiji ko goli maaree. He said that in his affidavit to the court in 2014 and he repeats that in his statement to the court yesterday. So where did he say that it was the RSS organization?
No, I think if I say NDTV ke logon ne badnaam kiya hai, so does the association not get established? I think based on the statements that were available in the court, I think the court had made the observation that I read out to you. The Supreme Court also interprets Rahul Gandhi's comments to be sweeping in nature. I think this is what the Supreme Court had actually said. Why did you make a sweeping statement? Why did you, let me finish this one sentence.
Sure.
Why did you make a sweeping statement against RSS, branding everyone associated with the organization in the same brush? The Supreme Court came to the same conclusion as the complainant in this case. So Rahul Gandhi simply cannot get away saying one thing inside the court, almost making an abject surrender and coming out and now trying to make statements.
But now the
which
Supreme
only,
Court is saying
which can
something
only be
else. After
described
his
as
sure, but after
verbal-
his statement yesterday, the Supreme Court is saying something else. However, I do want to ask Ajay Kumar of the Congress Party that when the Supreme Court did make those strong observations that Mr. GVL Rao is quoting, the Congress was very aggressively saying very publicly that there was no way Rahul Gandhi was going to apologize. They said that in court as well. Kapil Sibal said that in court as well. Is there if I could ask, a nuanced change in the tone in which the Congress is now talking about this?
What Rahul Gandhi said was in 2014. The Congress and Mr. Gandhi's position has been very clear. All congressmen and all of us stand by what he said and will repeat it again. That RSS के लोग गांधी जी के हत्या में शामिल थे. Let Mr. GVL Narasimha Rao and Rakesh Sinha deny. Secondly, why the BJP and RSS have to come together on a debate is again a question mark. We should have had this debate only with RSS. So we continue to say that, and Mr. Gandhi said that. So please ask Mr. Rao and the RSS and the BJP if they have problems of understanding the YouTube video. We will send them a transcript. Very clearly we said RSS ke log. So RSS is Sansthan, why are they getting so allergic and suddenly so reactive? The fact is whether Nathuram Godse, was he a part of the RSS earlier? Yes. They said he was not later on. I have not seen a methodology of resignation in the RSS. I went to their website and you can become a member but you can't resign. So let us first of all know whether they will go back.
Mr. GVL Rao is saying something different today. He's saying if you say RSS ke logo ne, one second.
No.
I know the court has
One
made a
second,
distinction. The
Nidhi.
Supreme Court has actually accepted that if you are saying RSS ke logo ne, you are saying people associated with the RSS. You are not saying RSS organization. That the Supreme Court has accepted. But what the BJP is saying, what Mr. GVL Rao is saying, Dr. Ajay Kumar, is that it's the same thing. It amounts to the same thing.
The BJP and the RSS are so. The BJP and the RSS are so what you call double standard. Now they want to disown their own. Gopal Godse says that Dattatreya Govind, we were all RSS ke god mein hum log pale. We spend more time with RSS.
Nidhi, can
now
I?
they are saying ki RSS ka nahi hai. They will say
Mr. Rao, quick rebuttal and then I'll come to Shekhar Gupta and to Mr. Rakesh
that
Sinha.
the RSS will be very reasonable when you meet them and can.
I think,
and with
Nidhi,
pure
Mr.
without
Rao,
compunction.
all right,
Congress
Dr.
to the
Ajay
release.
Kumar, let me get a quick response from Mr. Rao. Yeah.
Mr. Rao,
I think
Mr.
Congress
Rao, first of all, say Gopal Godse was in RSS or not.
Can I get my say?
Ajay
Was he
Kumar,
involved?
Can I-
let him reply.
Yes.
Let him reply. Yeah, go ahead.
Congress party's attempts at verbal gymnastics are not going to help. This is a legal case. The Supreme Court had said you apologize for your comments or you face trial. And if Rahul Gandhi wants to indulge in vocabulary jugglery,
Flights
I
of
think he will end
imagination,
up
Mr.
facing
Rao,
jail.
flights of
I think
imagination.
Kapil Sibal possibly is trying
Why
to
do you
save him
imagine
from
stuff? Where does the
prosecution.
Supreme Court
He's
say?
already
Don't
mired in
create
a
words.
section
What have
420
you said?
case. He's
Please.
already facing
No, no, please
misappropriation
look at
of
read
fund
his speech.
charges.
Shall I
So
send you a
possibly
transcript?
Kapil
Ajay,
Sibal wanted to
please,
give him
let
a
me-
message.
let him-
I think, can I,
Does that mean
you can't
RSS?
Okay,
shout
okay.
me down.
One at a
Ajay
time,
Kumar,
please.
I can
Ajay,
shout louder than
Ajay,
you.
Ajay,
You see,
I'll
the
come to you in a
allegation
moment.
against RSS,
Yeah.
the allegation against the RSS is also intended to hurt the BJP because these comments were made at a political rally. Why did he make those comments in a political rally? Because the clear target is by association he wanted to attack the BJP.
Okay, Ajay Kumar,
you
give me a
cannot
second.
get off this case.
Okay, so you're saying
unless
that
you
is why the
apologize.
BJP is coming to it. Shekhar Gupta, is it a climb down or is it Rahul Gandhi basically repeating the position that he had taken in 2014?
Well, I think certainly the statement his lawyer made in the court did look like a climb down.
Because?
Because for the simple reason, this is not a legal issue. This is a political issue. Frankly, why has this even reached the Supreme Court? Somebody files a defamation case, you can go and fight in the trial court. It will take 50 years to go to Supreme Court. You can then deal with it. I think just going into appeal on this, then questioning criminal defamation. See, this is not the way big leaders do their politics. Look at Arvind Kejriwal. Nobody makes wilder allegations at people than Kejriwal does. My colleague, former colleague Sunil Jain, he questioned Kejriwal on gas prices, and immediately he and a couple of his key lieutenants said Sunil Jain must be in the pay of Reliance. Right? The fact is that Sunil Jain, I know it, having defended him in the court on behalf of the organization where we worked, that he faces multiple legal defamation cases from Reliance. So even someone like Kejriwal, who has faced so many defamation cases, has not become defensive in a court of law, because that's how you play politics.
How is it defensive? Because he said RSS के लोगों ने गांधी जी को गोली मारी. This is his exact quote. We've played out the Bible.
You are getting into the legal argument.
Are you saying the language, the political language was defensive?
The political method is defensive. Forget the language. Why is he in Supreme Court? He should say, yes, I said what I said. I will stand by what I said, and I will deal with the court case in the trial.
Which he has done outside court today, which you're saying is a cop-out?
No, but why is the Congress party in Supreme Court? Why is the Congress party appealing?
Ajay Kumar,
why is he appealing?
Shekhar Gupta says it is a political climb down. It may not be legally, it may be, he may have taken
I've never seen a public figure in India jailed for libel. No public figure will ever be jailed for libel.
So should Rahul Gandhi have stuck to his stand? Has he kind of played it both ways, where he's played it safe legally?
This is cowardly.
And he's saying cowardly. That's a strong word. How do you see it, Ajay Kumar?
No, I think Shekhar has totally missed the point. I mean, and is totally off the page. What do you present in the Supreme Court? It's a legal case. Do you put the facts or you do a political position? So Shekhar, if you're taking a political position, Rahul Gandhi takes a political position on public meetings and his communication.
No, Ajay,
in the court, you communicate what you did and based on facts. You can't mislead the court. No, one sec, Shekhar, let me complete. So what did he tell the court? Please read my speech in Bhiwandi. I said the RSS ke log. Now the question is, what do you say in the Supreme Court? No, I meant the institution. Everybody in RSS is involved. That is also would be a distortion of fact. So any political leader worth his salt with integrity has to present what he said. And what he said was RSS ke log. He didn't say RSS. And I find it very strange if Shekhar says it's a climb down. When political climb down is, if he had not said what he said on Twitter and he continues to say on political platforms, that people are trying to subvert divisive forces of the RSS, the hate agenda of the RSS and BJP, he continues to say that. So where is the question of climb down?
You make a good point that he has to take a legal position. It is the Supreme Court. Shekhar Gupta wants to respond and Professor Rakesh Sinha.
Ajay, the point is very simple. Ajay, politics is competitive business. Your competition today is Arvind Kejriwal. Aam Aadmi Party is taking away your vote share. Wherever you are, BJP is rivals. They've done so in Delhi. They seem to be doing this in Punjab and Goa. No, let me complete this. Now, once you are up against competition like that, when Kejriwal gets defamation cases thrown at him by various people, all kinds of people, he doesn't go running to Supreme Court saying quash this case, quash criminal defamation. I'm talking of the politics of this. The politics of this looks like you've raised your hand, you've struck, but now you don't know how to deal with it. So deal with it. You know, you are not that new to politics. You know, no politician ever goes to jail for defamation.
The RSS, somebody from the
Ajay Kumar, quickly, yes.
The matter went to the Supreme Court firstly, Shekhar. The question is, leaders are also not tested by competitive politics and position. You take a position on what you believe in. Unfortunately, the Kejriwal kind of politics is spit and run is not we believe in. If you have to give credit, please give credit to Mr. Gandhi for the repeatedly, right from 2004, from the time he's entered politics, has continuously said that. He has not deviated from what he said. They are divisive. They propagate the politics of hate. They want to divide society, and repeatedly it has been established. And that is what we have stuck to.
But let me get Professor Rakesh Sinha in on this. Just on the facts of it, Rakesh Sinha, the question that I asked the other panelists as well is, where did Rahul Gandhi ever say that the RSS as an organization was responsible for Mahatma Gandhi's assassination? He didn't. And I'm just asking that question based on fact.
No, this is a classic case of unstable mind. He is exhibiting that intellectual bankruptcy and political cowardice. Once he said that he blamed RSS, now he says he didn't blame RSS. I'm telling you, the RSS, these questions were set by court and commission. Jeevan Lal Kapoor commission examined 407 documents. Has Rahul Gandhi some extra document? Jeevan Lal Kapoor commission examined 101 witnesses at 7 places of the country: Delhi, Nagpur, Dharwad, Pune, Baroda and Chandigarh. And that commission worked for 4 years, then submitted its report. As far as Gopal Godse's version is concerned, it is not gospel truth. If Gopal Godse's words are gospel truth, then Gopal Godse said so many things about Nehru and Gandhi, you have to accept these facts also. Gopal Godse has his own version. There may be 100 of the reasons that Gopal Godse is blaming RSS in some other way. Whatever the facts is there, that Nathuram Godse had no link with the RSS. In 1932, he wrote a letter to V.D. Savarkar that RSS is spoiling the energy of Hindu youths. And he created a rival organization, Hindu Rashtra Sena. These are available in the National Archive.
The same Jeevan Lal Commission, that said that the RSS was not directly responsible for Mahatma Gandhi's murder also said, one second, let me finish. The same Jeevan Lal Commission, Ajay Kumar, one second, the same Jeevan Lal Commission said that the RSS and militant Hindu Mahasabha leaders created conditions conducive to strong anti-Gandhi activities that encouraged those who brought about his removal. So therefore, can the RSS completely dissociate itself from what happened?
These are the selective facts from the Jeevan Lal Kapoor Commission. You know, just before assassination on 17 September 1947, Hindustan Times published a report, Mahatma Gandhi addressing RSS workers in Delhi. 1 hour long interaction with the RSS workers. Where is RSS creating anti-Gandhi?
I'm not saying it's not the Jeevan Lal Commission which exonerated the RSS of any direct involvement. I'm only giving you.
Nidhi, what did he say after that?
I am saying that this is a story that is much more complicated. It's not black and white.
The RSS propagates the orgy of violence which is not good for India. He also said
RSS had nothing to do with that assassination. RSS had condemned that assassination. RSS declared Nathuram Godse as a lunatic Hindu. Now Rahul Gandhi is going in an unstable mind. One day he says something, other day he changes his version.
Shekhar Gupta, the politics of this answer. Okay, one second. Ajay Kumar, please, one second. Let Professor Sinha finish his point. Please, let him finish his point and then I just want to come to Shekhar.
Nidhi, give me 30 seconds.
Ajay Kumar, please, just give him 30 seconds. Yes, please, Ajay Kumar, please.
30 seconds.
Yeah.
30 seconds.
Yeah.
In this country, there is an anti-RSS constituency. Rahul Gandhi, Kejriwal and Nitish Kumar, all three are vying for taking this constituency, grabbing this constituency. But Rahul Gandhi is not mature enough like Kejriwal and Nitish Kumar. He crossed the limits. Now he is in the legal orbit. He has to prove in the court. Nathuram Godse was a part of RSS. If he doesn't prove, then he has to face the consequences, legal consequences. He has to apologize or has to face the legal consequences.
Part of BJP. And the father of the nation assassination,
the point is that the story
don't go to Sakshi Maharaj and Anand Yogi Adityanath. You are obsessed with Sakshi Maharaj.
Okay, one second. May I please request both of you one second to give us a second and let me ask Shekhar this question about the fact that the politics of this today is linked to what happened back then. And again, I point out that the same report had many different things to say, even though it ultimately exonerated the RSS, but it's not black and white, is it?
See, this is not a debate of law or of history or of interpretation of history. It's of politics now. There is a new there is an old polarization in India, which is pro-Hindutva, anti-Hindutva, secular, non-secular, right? Say 1980 onwards. This is how it's built ever since the breakdown of the Janata Party, dual membership and everything. In this situation, I don't believe that Rahul Gandhi is the first anti-BJP and anti-RSS leader to have insinuated or said more clearly that RSS was responsible for Gandhi's assassination. Some people say it was RSS thinking, ideology. Some people say people connected with the RSS. He said something, but having said that, for him to now go and finesse in a court of law that I meant people from the RSS but not the RSS is just bad politics.
But he didn't say the RSS. His actual bite said RSS ke logon ne. So he's sticking to facts.
But to go in the court.
But in the court he has to stick to facts.
But the court has said now that he has said this, court is nudging the other side to that ठीक है उसने कह दिया ये. But
Shekhar,
good politics says, I mean, I'm not saying I'm on nobody's side.
Can he play politics in court? I'm asking this question.
He has to have the spine to do it. No.
Okay, that's an interesting point.
Digvijay Singh will stand firm in court and say, repeat my allegation, and I'll repeat it again.
Oh, okay. Ajay Kumar, on that point, and then I'll come to Mr.
Fire his lawyer for being defensive.
So, I think what Shekhar is trying to say, Ajay Kumar, is that the defense was too defensive. The defense was too defensive in court. Even if he had said RSS ke logo ne,
It's the same as the organization.
yeah, it is in language, but law is on legality and technicality. Ajay Kumar.
No, it was, look, the question again is, we have reached a point where whenever we speak in court and sign a sworn affidavit, we are also ready to score a political point but disregard the facts. The facts and the truth has to stand. We continue to say that the RSS के लोग गांधी जी के हत्या में शामिल थे, साक्षी महाराज जैसे लोग बीजेपी में लेकिन देशद्रोही वाले बयान देते हैं, लेकिन उसके ऊपर कोई कार्रवाई नहीं करेंगे हमारे बीजेपी के लोग. They will continue to do that. We are continuously saying that in the court, and we have to put the facts in the court. And the court has its speech. Nidhi, the court has the bite of the YouTube, which he says RSS ke log. And the question is, Rahul Gandhi is fighting,
Nidhi,
the Congress is fighting.
Yeah. Mr. Rao, okay. Okay, last quick comments from everybody. Mr. GVL Rao first.
And Mr. Rakesh Sinha to deny that they continuously insulted Gandhiji during his life, continuously humiliated him, the RSS humiliated him. And now they want to,
RSS did not like Gandhi is a matter of record.
Is a matter of record. GVL Rao, Mr. GVL Rao. Okay, Ajay Kumar. Yes, GVL Rao.
No, yeah, Nidhi, it's my strong observation, conviction that the Congress party is actually trying to insult the Honorable Supreme Court after the court had made those observations, after examining the affidavit, after examining the entire case, made those observations. Then Congress leadership went into the court yesterday and made a submission before the court, a statement before the court, and now what they are doing, to my mind, should actually amount to contempt of court. I think on September 1, when the court convenes, takes up the matter, I'm reasonably confident that the Honorable Court will examine the kind of statements that spokespersons and party members have made outside the court, and which is a complete repudiation of what they have said in the court.
Rao sir, please don't have these flights of fantasy. Please restrain yourself.
And whatever relief they were hoping to get in the court,
restrain your flights of fantasy, Rao sir.
The music now.
All right. Well, I think the next hearing will certainly be a colourful one. Then it will certainly be a colourful one. Then we're waiting to see what happens next.
Your fantasy, the RSS BJP fantasy mythology continues.
It's a contempt of court. You're saying something in the court and you're coming out and saying something else for your own place favor. I think this is double standard. This duplicity is seen by the whole. I'm sure the court will take note of it.
I'll send you the link. Duplicity.
There is no contempt. There is no contempt.
Who deny Gopal Godse. You deny you insulted Gandhiji during his lifetime.
Double standard.
You deny Sakshi Maharaj, who said he will make
one stand in the court and taking another outside.
All right, gentlemen, I'm going to leave it there. Thank you very much to all of you for joining us. Let's all come back. Let's all come back when the next Supreme Court hearing happens and see what happens then. It is at the end of the day both a legal case as well as obviously a much bigger political story. Thanks a lot for joining us. We'll see you again on Monday. Do join us then.